Today I'm going to be cleaning out my Grilla Grills Silverbac, so I'm going to start by cleaning off the grill grates and pulling the grill grates and the drip tray out of the Silverbac. After you have taken out the grill grates and the drip tray, you can go ahead and remove the heat deflector and set that to the side. Once we have everything removed from the Silverbac, we are going to vacuum it, including the burn pot, trying to get this as clean as we can. Once you are done vacuuming your Silverbac, you can reinstall the heat deflector and you can reinstall the drip tray. You can foil the drip tray if you want to, but it is not necessary. Now that we have reinstalled our heat deflector and our drip tray, we are going to reinstall our cooking grates. So after we are done cleaning, you can go ahead and fill up the hopper. I am using Grilla Grills pecan pellets, and we are now ready to cook.